Hello everyone, welcome to my video of renovation of 3-bedroom apartment in Bangalore. We have planned a budget friendly renovation. I wanted to document this video for the progress of this renovation. Let me take you through the steps of what we are renovating, and then in the end of this video you can see the before and after videos of the renovation. All the information regarding all tiles and fittings, where we bought it, how much it was, you can find it in the description. Let's get started. So let me start with giving a tour of this 3-bedroom apartment and its present state, and I'll walk you through all the renovation ideas and what we are going to do in each room. This is a 20-year-old 3-bedroom apartment in Bangalore, and we are upgrading it keeping the budget in mind. This, if I turn around, is the main entrance. The entrance of the house. The first thing we are doing is upgrading the door. We are going to be putting in a flush door, and even the circuit box will be upgraded. And the main thing that we are going to be doing is, currently the floor is mosaic, and we will be putting the whole house will be we'll be putting vitrified tiles. So you can see the skirting has been taken off, and what they will do is, on top of this mosaic floor they will just kind of like paste the vitrified tiles, and they will add the new skirtings. This is the quicker and cheaper way of doing it instead of digging up the whole floor. So let me give you a pan of the drawing room. So this is the drawing room. This is the entrance behind me. It leads directly to the first balcony. And this is the corridor that leads to the other part of the room. The other thing that's going to be upgraded in this room, as well as all the rest of the room, are the windows. You can see that these are the old style windows, and we are going to be putting a 3-piece aluminium window. That means it's going to be sliding, and it will have the mosquito net on the window as well. We have a balcony, and even the tiles of the balcony will also be put in newly to vitrified. Currently everything has mosaic. Let's move on to the rest of the room. The first room that you can see on my right was the kitchen. Now the usual kind of upgrade that everyone does is convert it into a modular kitchen, but we wanted an open concept kitchen purely because it gets easier to manage cockroaches and insecticides and pesticides if cupboards are open. It's just easier to clean it. So you can see that some major demolition work has happened. There was huge tiles throughout here on the wall. We are upgrading the tiles, and for now we are going to be putting in only this portion of tiles just as backsplash. That's the only update we are going to be doing. The rest of the area is going to be plastered up and painted over for now, because in future, when we have enough funds, we are planning of making cabinets all around here, so we don't want to waste the tiles. For now the tiles are just going to be here. That is the only upgrade for the kitchen, and of course the floor we're putting in vitrified tiles. And yes, the windows, as I mentioned in the drawing room, the windows is going to be updated to a 3-piece aluminium window. The main problem here is mosquitoes, so for that you need a 3-piece aluminium window or UPVC. UPVC is slightly costlier, and we wanted it to be budget friendly, so we have chosen for aluminium. So that was the kitchen. Now moving on to the next room, we have just along the corridor a small third bedroom. Here also the only thing that we are going to be doing is updating the floors to vitrified floors, and of course the windows to 3-piece aluminium windows, and painting. We're going to be painting the whole house white. So to convert this dark color into light, first it has to be converted to white, and then on top of white, whatever your desired paint you needed will be applied. So that is going to cost a little bit extra. So for this part of renovation, we are only going to be painting it white, so that cuts the cost. You can see that if it focuses, this cupboard already that's built, so we're not going to be touching that. Ceiling is going to have another coat of painting, and of course this house was empty from 6 years, so it was kind of like a dumping ground. All of these need to be taken off. Moving on to the next, going along this corridor, there are 2 bathrooms total. This is attached bathroom, that's to take bath, and that's the commode area. I'll come back to the bathroom later. This is the second bedroom. Here also the windows are going to get upgraded and the floors are going to get upgraded, and there's going to be a fresh coat of paint. And you can see that the woodwork is done, but of course we are going to be polishing the woodwork. But that's all we are going to be doing in this room. And coming to the master bedroom, as usual, the floor is going to get upgraded, the windows are going to get upgraded. And here you can see that there has no woodwork, but to save the cost, the most immediate thing you can do to save the cost is buy wardrobes like online or from shop, like buy ready-made wardrobes. They're going to save a whole lot of money. So this master bedroom has an attached bathroom, and it has an entryway to the balcony, and the doors are also going to remain the same. We are not changing it, we'll just paint over it. As I mentioned, floor is going to get updated. This is going to have white paint all around. Now let's go and check out the bathrooms. You're seeing here the attached bathroom, and you can see major work has taken place here. We did have tiles, but all of them have been taken out because we are going to be putting new tiles on the floor and on the wall, and that's going to be 7 feet high. And there was a commode here, but it was a very old style commode, so we're going to be upgrading the commode. And of course there's going to be white paint throughout, and they're going to either try to put that geyser in that area so that this area is freed up, and shift that electrical board, that switchboard, to somewhere there so that it's protected from water, because there was no shower here initially. So we are going to be putting new mixer, then hand shower, and a head shower here, so that won't be the ideal spot for the switchboard. So all that is coming up in the bathroom. This is the second and the common bathroom of this apartment, which is divided into 2 parts. This is only going to be the bathroom. You can see we are doing the same renovation here. The floor is going to have new tiles, the walls are going to have new tiles, there's going to be a mixer, hand shower, and a head shower here. The windows, I forgot to mention, both the bathrooms are going to get an update windows, aluminium window as well. And this bathroom's doors are also going to be changing. They're not waterproof doors, so that is going to be changing because everything is going to get a new fresh paint of white coat. And next to it is what right now it's actually an Indian toilet, which is going to be, we're going to be putting in a commode here, and the windows are going to be changed, and of course the tiles are going to be newly coming in, and there's going to be a fresh paint of coat, and the bathroom door will also change. So that was a full tour of the 3-bedroom apartment. The basic things that are going to be updated are floor tiles, the windows, the main entrance door, this balcony door, and the 3 bathroom doors, and all the other doors are going to be painted. And of course the bathroom is going to get full updated, all tiles, wall tiles, floor tiles, new commodes, new fixtures. And initially the house had its plumbing, pipe works and bathrooms outside of the wall. Now we are going to be making grooves and making the pipes put in the wall. The other kind of renovations that can be done is, of course, you can see those electrical lines that also can be hidden inside the wall, and false ceiling can be put, but that is not the part of our renovation for now because our budget only allows this much of renovation. Keep watching this video and I'll bring you more updates as there is progress, and thank you for watching. Have a good day.